All right, so I'm just about to invoice a VA that we've just recently assigned to a new account. So we've had the VA for a while, but we've just recently moved her over to a new account that is starting to gain some traction. So we signed this model a couple of weeks ago. The account was fresh, the OnlyFans account was fresh, and we're starting to get to the point where it's getting some consistent traffic coming in. So it's still kind of growing a bit. So I thought, why not show you how it goes? While it's still reasonably basic invoice before the account takes off and you have multiple people involved. Um, yeah, I thought now's a good time to give a demo.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
So I have already prepared this by blanking a few things out. So I blanked out some names. I changed the name of the web browser there. And you'll notice on the invoice, I also blanked out a few things just for the purpose of this video. But other than that, this will be a live demonstration of me doing the invoicing for this VA on this account. So as it grows, we normally also have a tab open for Super Creator. But because the account's new and Super Creator costs around $100, well, it's actually more than that a month to run. It's a little bit before the account actually justifies having Super Creator. Now, if you're not familiar with Super Creator, there are a few things like it, but it's basically a browser extension. Is that the word? Browser extension that overlays over OnlyFans and tells you the purchasing habits of subs, what they're likely to purchase things for, gives you recommended pricing. You can adjust mass messages to tailor it to individuals, awesome things like that. But while the account is still new, you could probably do without paying the extra $100 for that account, because that's for each account that you have assigned to Super Creator. It's $100+. So that's not $100+ for the account, and then you attach as many OnlyFans as you want to it. No, that's per account. So before it got too complicated, we thought now's a good time to do a demo. So yeah, so normally Super Creator will be also open in a tab, but I'll just run through what I got set up so far. So in a browser window, this is what I'll have set up for a VA. We do use Incogniton, as I've shown you in other videos. So for each of our VAs, they get their own login information. Now, in order to give you the ability, in order to unlock the ability to create different team logins, that does require the premium version or whatever you call it, the paid version of Incogniton. But as you're growing, that would be a business expense you will more than have to use. That doesn't make sense. That'll be business expense that will be easily justified. All right, so where are we? Yes. So each VA has their own login info, and what you do is you assign permissions to different VAs. So for example, this group here, we'll just call her model. She'll have a group of browsers. One will be social media accounts. One will be Reddit's accounts. There'll be a whole lot of things, and then the OnlyFans, which is just one browser profile, but it'll all be grouped. So it'll all be grouped under, for this purpose of this video, it'll be all grouped under model. So what you do for this VA, you give her access to the model group, and then when the VA logs in using her information, she can access only those browsers. She can't change anything. All she can do is access them. And then you just do that for everyone. So anyway, so what the VA finds when she opens up this particular browser window is she'll see the OnlyFans account, a sales tracker sheet that I made up. I'm not sure if I've already uploaded it to the forums, Empire forums or not. Yeah, another shameless plug. You better believe I'm going to hammer that home. It is fucking brilliant. Yeah, I'm not sure if I've already uploaded that to Empire or not. I think I have. If not, it will be uploaded soon. And then what I also have open are some scripts. Now, something interesting that someone said to me the other day was that you could actually have Empire forums open in one window, and because it's got all the scripts, you can just give the VA your login info, and then they could actually just access the scripts and stuff. So instead of these Google Drive PDFs, see here, I just have a stack of scripts and that for the chatter to use. You could actually just have the forum open, and then they can also troubleshoot themselves too, which is pretty fucking cool. I didn't even think of that. So a member actually pointed out, and I was like, wow, that's such a good idea. You literally just give the VA your login info. They can troubleshoot themselves. They can look up scripts if they have any issues with the proxy or the browser. They can literally just troubleshoot themselves. So in the future, we might not even need these Google Drives open. But yeah. So anyway, so I'm going to do the invoice. So what I'll do, this is last week's invoice, and this is the second one. So that'll be number 2. Today's date is the 21st. Then you'll change these dates. So what is it? I actually wrote it down. That's why I'm looking to the side. 15th to the 21st. So that is Monday to Sunday. Now, the VA is on this basic schedule here, which you will see on the sales tracker. She does Reddit for, what is it? For 1 hour. So this is the model that's kind of just growing. So what this VA is doing in particular is she's working on a funnel that I'm using involving a subreddit. So I've got this VA just checking on that, making sure all things are above board, and then she does some chatting just from 7 to 12, so 5 hours. Obviously, when they grow, you'll have more than one chatter assigned. That's why there's different spots here, and then they'll all have their own different hours and stuff like that. So so that's the basic structure. And then I've said, well, I said this to everyone. If they're in the middle of a sexting session and you go over, no worries, keep going, don't stop, and just note down how many extra hours you've done. So, and then there's the hours over time. Anyway, things I make might be a bit too thorough, but I'm a massive fucking geek nerd, and I like to be thorough and good at using spreadsheets. So, anyway. So for this VA, we pay them $2 USD an hour plus 5% commission on what we get. So as you'll see here, the commission is split. So we get 50-50 to the client. Client gets 50, agency gets 50, and it's calculated so that the VA gets 5% of our 50% commission. So anyway, so what we're going to do here is we're going to input them into this. So Monday, 6 hours. No, it's not. 7. So that would be, there's OBS. So it would be 7 hours, and you'll just say it was 2, 1. 6 to 1, 7 hours, therefore 14, because it is not 14,000, $2 times 7. Anyway, so Tuesday looks to be the same, and you'll do that. Tuesday is also 7, so therefore you'll. By the way, everything is in Australian time and Australian currency because that is where home base is, and that's where our banking is set up with. After trialing all these different virtual banks and getting cancelled, we decided to just go with the brick and mortar branches in Australia and no trouble. So because home base is in Australia, I just do everything in Australian currency, Australian time. So then it's consistent throughout everything. So despite me traveling and whatever I want to do, I'll still do everything in Australian currency and times, and it's all consistent. Plus, our iPhone farm is in Australia anyway. I haven't really figured out how to take hundreds of phones on a plane yet. If someone knows how to do that, let me know. So what are we? Wednesday is normal. All right, so that would be usual. That's 14. That'll be usual. 7 hours last week. Now that is just the 6. Now here's the commission. That's from last week. So yes, the account is new. So it's not massive numbers at the moment. That's why I thought it'd be a good opportunity to give a little live demo. And then while you're doing that, you will also reset. Now, Monday would be the 15th. So what do we do here? We just write a little something. So then you'll get it up to add all the 15th, which would be that. Enter $1.50, and there you go. Monday equals $1.50 commission. Now Tuesday would be the 16th. So what do? You do the same thing. Now you just edit that. If you can't tell, I have done this before. 16th, there you go. And so the 16th, Tuesday, was $1.90. Now Wednesday. Oh, another 15th. Hey, what's going on? No biggie. You'll just add 50 cents to that total you put in. So where are we at? So that would now be $2. Wednesday. By the way, that happens you'll see here, see how it's like 15, 16, 15. That happens because sometimes after the VA logs out, a person will purchase a piece of content that they have sent. So the VA will log out, and then a sub, for one reason or another, will purchase a piece of content they sent late. I don't know whether they logged off early or whatever. So of course I give them that commission. So that's how you get these little things here. Anyway, 17th, what's that? That would be the Wednesday. So you'll do the same thing. Where are we? Is that the one? Yep. 17th. And enter. It's probably an easy way of doing this. I don't know, but oh well, it works. 170. Now we do the same for Thursday. I know how much fun this. No, I actually fucking love all this shit. That's why I do this. I love all this tech stuff. 18th, and then girls. When people ask what I do, um, or what the job position is, if I'm hiring, I say tits and technology. Because what is it true or is it true? 460. Where are we getting a bit lost here? Yeah. What? Fuck, losing it. Actually, I did write on the side what the dates were. I wrote on the side what day corresponded with which date, so I didn't trip up on YouTube. Yeah, 19th is Friday, and that is that. So, $1.90. Where are we? $1.90. And then I should actually have another total down there. I might do that in the future. So that, if done well, correctly, that should add up to, what's the total here? 1210. And of course, you'll wipe that for the next time. And then you'll also wipe all this. Actually, I don't want to risk doing that. I've blacked everything out, so I don't want to risk like revealing anything. So we'll just leave it. But you obviously reset that, just that part. And these are input so that it is automatically calculated based on everything. So you can wipe the whole sheet, but the formulations will still stay intact. So that is that. And then there's the total. Then I'll just look up what the current conversion is. At the moment it's around $1.50. It might be a little bit less, $1.49, blah, blah, blah. And then I'll submit. Then I'll send this invoice to my VA, to the VA that is getting paid, and I will pay that amount to the banking address, which I've blacked out. And that's it. And if you want to go a step further, which I actually do as well, because I know they're VAs, I know they're getting $2 an hour, which is not much in the Western world. I do like to be on top of everything. So what I also do is highlight everything relevant, and then I download as PDF. So then I'll just save that X amount there, whatever. We'll save all the sales. So then you send the VA picture of the sales, the invoice, and send payment. Because I treat them like how I would in real life employee. Because I don't know, you just want to cover your bases. And you want to get into these habits before you grow anyway. So yeah, if you just have one or two at the moment, yeah, you could get away with a lot of, you don't, fuck it, who cares, don't have to worry about all of that shit. But basically getting these habits now, because as you grow, you're going to want to start logging everything down. And yeah, and that's it. So yes, I will do a plug. So the Empire Forums, it's been launched for just over a week now. It has absolutely fucking everything. Only adding to it every day. As someone did point out to me, as I said at the start of the video, you could literally just give a VA your login info, and they can literally troubleshoot themselves. But yeah, it has everything. So I could probably just go through recently added here. There we go. So you got topics added. This is like daily. We don't fuck around. Business Essentials, topics added, topics C, subreddit, how to remove metadata photos, chatting scripts, content requirements, how to do banking, employment, kinky, like everything, fucking everything. I'm not like, I don't just keep plugging this because I was like, fuck yeah, I can start like getting some cash, and start giving call to actions on my YouTube videos. No, it's a fucking good product, and I saw a need, and I think this answers that need. So, anyway, so that's it. Empire Forums, go jump on it. At the moment, so what I didn't mention was that it is free to access, free to log in, free to look at, but there are some select categories, for example, the ones that have the scripts in. There you go. See, this members only. That does require premium subscription. Now, the premium subscription is currently $29 a month, 29 US bucks a month. If you think that is too much, well, you have to ask yourself, how much are people charging for these courses with like a fifth, a tenth, the 100th of that kind of information? And then ask yourself, is $29 a big deal for all that value, which is constantly being added to? So if you do think it's too much, then the forum's not for you anyway. But price will be going up soon. I literally just launched, like it's been out for a week, and obviously the more value that gets added, the more people that join, the bigger leverage I have. So why would I not charge more? $29 is a steal. So anyway, couldn't finish off a YouTube video without giving a shameless plug to the best motherfucking forums around. So I hope that helped. So if you like the videos, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.